Hello and welcome back to the Purchase module. In the previous lesson, we explored the Orders menus and reviewed a full flow of creating a request for quotation right through to registering payment on a vendor bill. In this lesson, we will dive into how the Purchase module seamlessly integrates with other modules like sales and inventory. To make sure you never run out of stock, Odoo allows you to define reordering rules on products. Thanks to these reorder rules, Odoo can help you replenish your stock automatically. From the main dashboard, we are going to open the Inventory module. Using the Products menu, we will search for and open our Desk Organizer product. We see this product is available for sale, purchase, and point of sale. Moving to the Purchase tab, we see our vendor ABC supplies listed with a quantity and price. The reorder rule will always use the first vendor in the list that meets the minimum requirement. Moving to the Inventory tab, we see this product is configured with a buy route. At the top of our product template, we see that we have smart buttons showing 0 on-hand stock, and in the drop-down, a minimum 5, maximum 10 reorder rule. If we had multiple reorder rules for our desk organizer, this smart button would display a count of all our reorder rules. Odoo allows you to have different reorder rules per location and route. Let's drill into our reorder rule. We see it is configured that for the location of Kirk stock, we should always have a minimum of 5 and a maximum of 10. The on-hand and forecast columns are showing 0. Using the slider icon on the right, we see a variety of other columns that can be made visible. If we wanted to order only the exact quantity needed to fill a sales order, we simply set both the minimum and maximum quantity to 0. Let's move to our second screen, where we are going to open the Sales module. Let's create a new quotation for our customer Lorraine at Lumber Inc. In the product line, let's add one of our desk organizers, selecting size small from the options. We will see the forecast icon is red, indicating there are no desk organizers available. Let's confirm this sales order to continue. Now we will use the red forecast icon to view the forecast report. Looking in the Request for Quotation section, we see a link to our request for quotation that's automatically created for a maximum quantity of 11, due to our reorder rule of keeping a maximum of 10 plus covering our sales order of 1. Let's click into that request for quotation. The seamless integration between inventory, sales, and purchase modules allows us now to confirm this auto-generated request for quotation to a purchase order. Let's assume the product has now come into our warehouse, and we will receive the products and validate our receipt. Using the forecasted report breadcrumb, we see 1 desk can be delivered to our customer, and we will be left with 10 desk organizers as free stock. Let's click the sales order breadcrumb and open the delivery order by clicking on the Smart button. We will validate that we are delivering the product to our customer. If you have a product that you do not wish to keep in stock, for example a very expensive or large product, Odoo has a replenish on order option. To utilize this, the product must be configured with the Make to Order, or MTO route. Let's move back to our first screen where we are in Inventory. We will search for and open the Outdoor Dining Table. Moving to the Purchase tab, we see our vendor is Gemini Furniture. Moving to the Inventory tab, we see this product is configured with both a Replenish on Order MTO route and a Buy route. Looking at our smart buttons, we have 0 on-hand stock and no reorder rules. Now we will move back to our second screen. In our Sales module, we will navigate to the Orders menu, where we will create a new quotation for our customer Lorraine at Lumber Inc. Let's add our outdoor dining table to the order line, selecting none of the optional extras. We see that our forecast icon is not red, even though we just saw we had 0 stock on hand. Let's click on the forecast icon and we can see the product is replenished on demand. Even if we had stock on hand, a request for quotation will generate when we confirm this quotation to a sales order. Let's click Confirm and we immediately see a Purchase Smart button display. we can quickly drill into our integrated request for quotation. Let's confirm the purchase order and receive and validate the receipt of the goods. Using the breadcrumbs, we can move back to our sales order. From here, we can open the customer delivery order and we can validate it. As you can see, the MTO route allows for a clear link between the sales and purchase order. MTO can also be used in conjunction with manufacturing and dropship. Let's use the top left arrow to return to the main dashboard. Well, you've done it. We have explored how to configure the purchase module to best suit your business needs. We learned how to use reporting effectively and reviewed the process of creating purchase orders, receiving the product, and creating vendor bills. We also saw how seamlessly purchase integrates with other Odoo modules like inventory and sales. Why don't you now test your knowledge by doing the quiz? Thank you for watching, and until next time.